Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Okey, untuk video kali ini saya akan tunjukkan bagaimana cara untuk kita kira area of triangle and parallelogram di dalam topik vektor dan skala. Okey. Okey, pertama sekali kita tengok bagaimana cara kita nak kira area of the triangle. So, di sini dia ada satu formula. Okey, sebelum kita go to the formula, pertama sekali kita kena tahu bentuk triangle. So dia seperti inilah A, B and C for example. And then kalau kita tengok dia punya arah triangle ni mestilah dia berdasarkan konsep triangle method yang dalam subtopik sebelum ini, iaitu dia mestilah dalam satu arah, iaitu daripada A ke B, B ke C, C dan back to A. So barulah kita boleh apply formula untuk mencari ataupun untuk mengira area of triangle. Okey, so ada dua formula yang mana kedua-dua formula ni adalah formula yang sama. Okey, iaitu A area equals to 1/2 times modulus AB times BC. Means that AB cross product with BC. Okay, and then kita moduluskan, dapatkan dia punya nilai magnitude and then times dengan 1/2. And the second formula is 1/2 times dengan AB times AC. Okay, actually kita boleh pilih formula nombor 1 or formula number 2. Okay, the most important thing is awak kena tahu bentuk triangle. Kemudian daripada bentuk triangle ni kita akan gunakan formula, iaitu contohnya kita gunakan formula AB times BC. Means that kita kena cari AB terlebih dahulu. Okay, what is the vektor bagi AB? AB. So seperti yang saya ajar, kalau vektor AB kita ambil koordinat ataupun vektor B tolakkan dengan vektor A, ataupun kita boleh gunakan kaedah AO plus OB, either one. But I prefer to use B minus A for the vector AB, and then for the vector BC, so as a usual, vector C minus vector B or CO plus OB. Okay, so that we must put the coordinate or the vector in this equation and then get the vector of the AB and BC. Why? Because of kita perlukan this value to substitute into this formula. Okay. So selepas itu barulah kita apply vector A cross product with vectors vector AB cross product with vector BC. Kita akan dapat dalam nilai I JK, either plus or minus, depend on the question. And then barulah kita sambung, kita cari dengan step seterusnya, iaitu kita cari ataupun kita calculatekan magnitude of vector AB times BC. So you guys can use either one of the formula to find out the area of triangle. Okay, understand? First of all, the form of triangle and then the formula, and then kita find AB and BC, and then find AB cross product with BC. Okay, kemudian find or calculate the modulus of AB cross product with BC. So we get the magnitude of AB times BC, and then times dengan 1/2. Nanti kita tengok dia punya example. Okay. Okay, baik. Untuk area of parallelogram. Okay, area of parallelogram, so awak kena faham bentuk parallelogram. Bentuk parallelogram actually dia bentuk segi empat tepat selari. Okay, okay, yang mana selari bermaksud this one selari dengan this one. Okay, so this one selari dengan this one. Okay, based on this form of the parallelogram, kita dapat bahawa parallelogram terbentuk hasil daripada gabungan dua triangle. So, two of triangle lah. Okay, so that's why kat bawah ni dia tulis, okay, to find the area of parallelogram is 2 kali dengan area of triangle, because of this one triangle, this one second triangle, so that we have 2 triangle in a parallelogram, so that to find the area of the parallelogram is 2 times area of triangle. So kita tahu bahawa formula bagi triangle, area is 1/2 times AB cross product with BC modulus. So that kita times dengan 2. So this one 2 dengan 2 we can cancel each other, so that we will get the formula of the area of parallelogram is A equals to modulus AB times BC. Or if we use the second formula, which is AB times AC, so that the formula will be AB cross product with AC modulus for the area of parallelogram. So that kita boleh bezakan di antara dua bentuk area bagi triangle dan juga bagi parallelogram. Okey, so student kita tengok contoh yang pertama. Okey, so kita tengok contoh yang pertama. Okey, yang penting awak kena faham bentuk triangle dan bentuk parallelogram, kemudian awak kena ingat ataupun tahu dia punya formula. Okey, kita tengok example 5.14, which is a plane contains A equals to coordinate 1, -1, 2, B equals to coordinate 9, 0, 8, and C equals to coordinate 5, 0, 5. Find the area of triangle ABC. So that the question asks you guys to find the area of triangle ABC. So that kalau kita tak boleh nak lukis, is okay. Kalau kita boleh lukis, is very good, because of it can help you guys to solve the question. So that we know that the area of the triangle formula is A equals to 1/2 modulus AB times BC. So we must find out the AB and BC first. So in this solution, it show that AB equals to AO plus OB. So I will show you guys AB equals to B minus A. So I just use the coordinate, which is 9 for B, coordinate B, 0 and 8, minus with 1, -1, 2. Okay, you guys can write in form of matrix or in form of coordinate. Okay, terpulang. Okay, 9 minus 1 equals to 8, and then this one 0 minus 1 equals to 1, 8 minus 2 equals to 6. So from this matrix form, we convert into the vector form 8i plus 1j plus 6k. So that we will get the same answer with the example 1. Okay, and then we find out the BC. So BC equals to C minus A. Okay, so that what is the coordinate of C? Okay, coordinate of C is 5, 0, 5 minus A. A is 1, -1, 2. So we calculate this one, and then we will get the 4, and then 1, and then 3. So this is the coordinate of the vector BC. So that 4i plus j plus 3k. Okay, is it right? Okay, wrong, because of the formula is wrong. Why? Because of C minus A, supposed to be C minus B. Okay, so that the formula is C minus B. So that is the important, because of that's very important for you guys to write the correct formula in your solution. Okay. Okay, so that B is 9, 0 and 8. And then 5 minus 9 equals to negative 4. 0 minus 0 equals to 0. 5 minus 8 equals to negative 3. So that the answer will be negative 4 plus 0j minus 3k. So this one is equals to this one. Alright. So after we get the value of vector A, B and B, C, and then we apply the formula of the area of the triangle, which is AB cross product with BC. So that AB cross product with BC here equals to, so we use the first method, which is we just add 2 column after the matrix form, and then what we must do is we calculate. Okay, yeah, right. This is very important for you guys to mark the diagonal value here. Okay, because of if you mark the wrong diagonal value, you will get the wrong answer. Okay, so that I 1 negative 3. So make sure you write the correct position of the value of the vector in the matrix form. Alright, so that 1 times negative 3 equals to negative 3i. 6 times negative 4 equals to negative 24j. For the k, 8 times 0 equals to 0k. Okay, and then we must subtract with the opposite direction of the vector, right? So that negative 4 times 1, so we will get the negative 4. And then for the I, 0 times 6 equals to 0. And then for J, negative 3 times 8 equals to negative 24. Okay, and then we must put the variable of the vector followed by the direction of the value in the matrix form. For example, negative 4 times 1 times k, right? Okay, negative 4k. 0 times 6i, 0i, and then negative 3 times 8, negative 24j. Okay, and then so this one minus with this one, so you guys will get the answer negative 3i plus 4k, means that negative 3i minus 0i equals to negative 3i, negative 24j minus 24j equals to 0j, 0k minus 4k equals to positive 4k. So this is the answer of the cross product AB times BC. Okay, so this is just for your revision. Okay, actually this one in the subtopic or in the video cross products punya example. Alright, after that kita calculate the modulus of the AB cross product with BC, which is we find the magnitude of the cross product. So we just put in this formula, which is negative 3 square plus dengan 0 for G square plus dengan 4 square. So that we sum all of the value, and then we just what we call it as we just square root the value. Okay, so that we will get the answer is 5. And then after that we must finish or continue with the correct formula, which is 1/2 times modulus AB times BC, so that we know that the value of modulus is 5. So 1/2 times 5 equals to 2.5 unit square. So that is the example for the area of triangle. Okay, and then kita tengok example 5.15. Find the area of triangle of ABC. Okay, of ABC with vertices A equals to 2, negative 2, 3, and 6. And then B 0, 0, 0, C 4, negative 4, and 2. So that if you can draw the vector of ABC triangle, it's good for you. Okay, then A equals to 1 over 2 AB times BC, and then we know that we must to find the AB and BC. So in this example, they use the method 1, which is AO plus OB, or we can use AB equals to B minus A, and then for the BC equals to C minus B. So therefore, okay, then for the BC, vector BC, C equals to 4, negative 4, 2, minus 0, 0, 0, and then we will get the answer is 4, negative 4, 2. Okay, or we convert into the vector form 4i minus 4j plus 2k. Okay, so you guys can use the suitable method in your solution. Okay, after that, we apply AB cross multiply with BC. So that we must arrange the value of the vector AB first into negative 2, negative 3, and negative 6. Is it right? Yes, of course. Because of I just write the wrong answer here. Okay, sorry. Because of the technical issue. Okay, so negative 2, negative 3, and negative 6. And then for the vector BC, 4, negative 4, and 2. And then we just add 2 column after the matrix. And then we just apply the method to find the value of cross product by using this method, or you can use the another method, which is we just apply the determinant. Okay, so negative 3 times 2, negative 6i, negative 6 times 4 times j, negative 24j, negative 2 times negative 4 equals to positive 8k, and then we minus with the this one. Okay, make sure your direction is correct. So 4 times negative 3 times k, negative 12k, and then 4 times negative 4, negative 6 times I. So you will get the positive 24i, and then 2 times negative 2 times j equals to negative 4j. So we must be careful while you subtract the value of I, J, and K into the K, I, J. So I with the I, negative 6I, minus 4I, because with 6I with the positive 24I, because of I and J is quite similar. Okay, so that we will get the negative 30I, this one, negative 24J, negative, positive, so negative 20J, and then this one plus 20k. So then after that, we continue with the magnitude and then calculate, and you can use your calculator to find the magnitude of the vector AB times vector BC. And the final is you must divide by 2 or times 1 over 2. So you guys will get the answer of the area of triangle equals to 20.61 unit square. Okay, make sure you guys put the unit square. Okay, so this is the example for the area of the triangle. So we go to the example 5.16. Find the area of the parallelogram which is formed by the vector. Alright. Okay, for this example, it just give you guys two vector u and v actually. Okay, so don't worry. if you just get a UMV, it isn't it isn't ask you guys to find like the triangle Y, A, B, and C, ABC, triangle ABC. So you just apply the formula directly like this. So area of the parallelogram is equals to modulus U times V. Okay, alright. Okay, so just more easier because of just put the value of the vector U here and V, and then put another value of the two column here, and then just apply the cross product, then get the answer for the cross product, and then use your own calculator and then find out the magnitude of the modulus. So that this is the answer of what we call it as the area of the parallelogram. Alright. Alright, okay. So if let's say the example mention find the area of the parallelogram A, B, C, and D. So means that you guys should apply AB times B. Okay, AB times CD. Sorry. Okay, AB times CD modulus. Okay. Okay, so let's say we look at the example 5.8, solve the following equation. So let's do question number 1. Find the area of parallelogram. So in this question, it just asks you guys to find the area of a parallelogram which is formed by the vertices A, B, and C. So which means the area of parallelogram is related to the vector AB times with BC. Because we just have 3 vector only. So that we just use AB times BC. If we have 4 vector, we can apply AB times CD and so on. Okay, so this is the formula. So so we find the AB. So AB equals to 0, 2, 0 minus with 1, 0, 0. This is the coordinate of the vector B minus vector A. Then you guys will get the negative 2, negative 1, 2, and 0 in the matrix form, so that you just convert into the vector form. Okay. Then continue with the BC, which is C minus B. So C equals to 0, 0, negative 1 minus B, 0, 2, 0. So that we will get the answer 0, negative 2, and then negative 1. Or negative 2J minus K. And then we find the cross multiply. So this one negative 1, 2, 0, 0, negative 2, negative 1, negative 1, 2, 0, negative 2. So put the I, J, K, and IJ, and then just draw the direction of the multiplication. Okay. Okay, so this one K, J, K, I, and then this one K. So be careful while you guys draw the direction or the line of the multiplication. So 2 times negative 1, negative 2i, and then plus with sorry. Okay, here 0 j, and then plus with 2k minus with 0k plus 0 and then plus with 1g. So solve this equation. So negative 2i minus 0, negative 2i plus with 1j plus with 2k. So AB plus times BC modulus, so that negative 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. So we get 4, 4, 1 is equals to 9, square root 9 equals to 3 unit square. Alright, so that's all for the example of the area of parallelogram. So I want you guys to continue with the question number 2, 3 and try do some exercise in the past equation uh, for your exercise. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video and good luck. Thank you very much.